I'm Natalia Bonner. It's day 334. Today we're going to be stitching using my mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler. Let's get stitching. I'll start out by using my blue Mark Be Gone marker. On both sides of my block, I'm going to measure up 2 inches and mark an increment on both sides, and then I'll also measure up 4 inches from the bottom and mark another increment. Remember, this is a 6-inch quilt block that I'm quilting on. I'm also going to mark the center on the top and bottom of the block. From there, I'm ready to begin stitching. I'll start out by stitching in the ditch all the way around the outside of my quilt block. When I get back to that bottom or the top marked point, then I'm going to adjust my machine quilting ruler and stitch a straight line across the center of the block. From there, I'll adjust my ruler and stitch a point-to-point line to the top marked point. From there, I'll adjust and stitch back down to where I started. From there, I'm actually going to travel up the ditch, moving up just 1/4 inch. I'll stitch a straight line right above the previous straight line. From there, I'll travel across the ditch, moving down 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to add an echo to the outside of that triangle on all 3 sides. When I get back to that side of the block, then I'm going to travel down the ditch to the next marked point, where I'm going to repeat that process, stitching a straight line across the center of the block, and an angular line from that marked point down to the center marked point. From there, back up to where I began stitching. From that point, I'll again travel down the ditch, moving down 1/4 inch, where I'm going to add an echo all the way around to the outside of that design. Once I've stitched those echoes all the way around the outside of that design, I'll complete this design by misting away those marked points. Friends, I hope you enjoyed today's block and found a little bit of inspiration with my machine quilting. Now just remember, you can pick up the panel, the rulers, the thread, all of the notions that I'm using in this video today over on my website, peaceandquilt.com. And don't forget to share your progress pictures over on Instagram using the hashtag Let's Stitch with Natalia. That's where we will be selecting winners for weekly prizes. See you all tomorrow.